honor to introduce myself, Mrs. Shreyata Tiwari, as the trustee of KNT Public School Titwala and our pre-primary venture KNT Kids, a preschool. Our school was established in 2000. We are having 3 buildings of our school, which comprises of primary wing block A, secondary wing block B and pre-primary wing block C. We have strength of 2000 plus students. We are widely known for providing quality education with 100% board exam results since 15 years. Our passionate and dedicated teachers makes our school shine in every stage. I am an IT engineer by profession and my vision is to make my students techno-friendly in their early stage of life. By partnering with Eduvate, our dream comes true as they provide us robotics and coding programs, maths and science kits for hands-on learning and digital classroom for our school. It will surely boost all our student growth in learning and help them to achieve their goals.
Good morning. Myself, Mrs. Ruchita Zuvekar, the principal of KNT Public School. I am very much happy, glad to share my views with you that we are one of the best educational institution which running in Titwala last 25 years. We are here trying to empower our students with good educational knowledge. Along with that, we are having the extracurricular activities also like sports, dance, everything. Since last 15 years, we are giving the 100% result of SSC exams. We are very much happy to provide our students the Eduvate educational literature with us that makes our students more knowledgeable, and by this we are also fulfilling our motto, bloom where you are planted.
Hello, it's my immense pleasure to introduce myself as an admin of the school. I am Madhvi Rahul Gaikwad. Here at KNT Public School, we are one of the finest school in the state. Bloom where you are planted is the logo of our school. We'll walk out with the logo in such a way that we provide our students the environment which is in a holistic and virtuous way, that wherever they go, they achieve their achievements, the goals, and succeed in each and every aspects of their lives. This year we are adopting the policies of Eduvate learning system, where our students will be getting the vital knowledge whatever is necessary. Eduvate has provided us this wonderful kit and 4 volumes of book, in which each and every section goes out very deeply and gives the detailed knowledge of the concept that is being put forth. They have also provided us with the tab to the teachers, which gives an additional digital learning to the system. Each and every classrooms of ours, near about 22 classrooms of ours, will be digitalized with the Eduvate. We are hopeful that it gives our students a bright future. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मी धनश्री तानाजी शेडगे. गेली 15 वर्ष KNT पब्लिक स्कूलमध्ये सिनियर क्लर्क म्हणून काम करत आहे. आज आम्ही इतकं सक्सेस करू शकलो आहोत. तसंच पालकांचा देखील सहकार्य आम्हाला बऱ्याच प्रमाणात चांगल्या प्रकारे लाभल्यामुळे.
Hello, myself Manisha Chaudhary. I am working as a mathematics teacher in KNT Public School. It is my privilege to work in KNT Public School, which is the greatest and as well as which is the very most famous school in Titwala. If you know, our motto is what? Bloom where planted. So students as well as each and everyone, you have to understand this motto. Here we are passionately, we are very much efficiently doing our hard work to create a great stories of success.
Hello, my name is Mrs. Pradnya Patil. I am working here as a science teacher since from 5 years. We are having very active students in our school and I am very happy to be a part of their life. We are having free environment in our school so that all the students can come to the teacher for asking their doubts.
Hello, my name is Varsha Sharma. I work as a maths teacher in KNT Public School. I can say that our school campus having excellent learning facility with digital and smart classrooms. From the next year, we are going to start Eduvate learning program, which is very useful for our students. I can say that the work with KNT Public School, it is a pleasure, not a pressure. Thank you.
Hello, myself Priyanka Singh, teacher. I am working in the KNT since last 10 years and I am very glad to work in this KNT public school. Our school maintain hygiene and have a comfortable setting for students to be able to look about the skills and grasp the knowledge. Atmosphere of our class is very much friendly.
Hello, I am Reshma Gule, a teacher for pre-primary section. I have been working in the school for 15 years. Our school has a well-educated and experienced teachers. We have a lot of good activities and program conducted in our school.
Hello, my name is Mrs. Smita Atre. I am working as an English teacher. I think KNT Public School is different because we have fantastic family-like atmosphere that allows students open up with teachers, management and principals. Students of KNT Public Schools love the schools.
My school empowered us with good knowledge and education. Each and every teacher of my school try to make our lessons interesting and easy so that we can learn it in a very better way.
Our KNT Public School is one of the best English medium school. In this school, children mostly talks in English. In all festivals, teachers encourage us to take part in all activities.